Today, we're diving into the Vixen Horns V-Times S-9075R, an electric motor-driven alarm siren designed for industrial use. This robust device boasts a stainless steel housing and a 120V power source, ensuring durability and reliability in demanding environments. The bright red color not only enhances visibility, but also signifies its alerting capability. Installation is straightforward with its 4-bolt mounting base, promising secure attachment wherever it's needed. In terms of performance, the V-Times S-9075R delivers impressive sound levels, reaching far distances with its loud dB output. This makes it ideal for applications requiring immediate attention or signaling over expansive areas. Its electric motor ensures consistent operation, ensuring it performs reliably when needed most. The stainless steel construction not only adds to its durability, but also protects against environmental elements, making it suitable for outdoor use without compromising effectiveness. Overall, the Vixen Horns V-Times S-9075R stands out as a powerful industrial alarm siren, combining robust construction with high-performance features. Whether used in factories, warehouses, or large facilities, its ability to deliver loud, far-reaching alerts makes it a standout choice for safety and operational signaling needs. If you're looking for a dependable industrial alarm with a strong presence and reliable performance, the V-Times S-9075R from Vixen Horns deserves serious consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.